This conference will now be recorded.
Guys, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. Last class topic is collections topic, right?
Ratan sir, can you ask Shrikant to stop the recording and start again, because the recording is started since last 5 minutes, and I mean screen was blank.
Oh,
Yeah.
then 1 second.
Yes.
Second recording ఆఫ్ చేసి ఆఫ్ ఒకసారి చాలాసేపు అయిందంటే రికార్డింగ్ స్టార్ట్ అయ్యి ఇక్కడ ఉస్మాన్ అన్నాడు నువ్వేం చేయలేవు.
This conference will now be recorded.
ఇప్పుడు ఎట్లా స్టార్ట్ అయిందా స్టార్ట్ అవ్వలేదా మళ్ళీ ఇప్పుడు రికార్డ్
This conference will now be recorded.
Yes.
From
Now
this
this will be
onward?
a new file. Yes.
Okay, fine, then good. Guys, last class we done with the collections. Assignment is complete. I given some assignment, right? Collections good. Collections day 5 we done with the vector and cursors, right? We done with vector and cursors. And the cursor remove the operation, list iterator and all. So anyone can please tell me last class assignment so that I'll place the assignment here itself immediately. Anyone done this assignment or not? Don't say no one is completed. Please tell me someone. Vidya, Veda, Usman, Sivakumar, Guru.
So I have not completed the assignment.
Guru, what about you?
Today will complete, sir, because yesterday I got some issues.
Yeah. Today's day number how much here? Day number 5, huh? Day number 6, huh?
Sir, day number 6.
Yeah, day number 6, guys. Today we'll focus on the topic like linked list, guys. Today we'll complete the list classes. So today we'll complete list classes, guys. Guys, list how many classes we have? Array list, linked list, vector, and stack, right? So I think we done with array list is completed. Vector is completed, right? Array list and vector is completed. Guys, come to the linked list, guys. Linked list is also duplicate objects allowed, inserts not is preserved. All list classes duplicates are allowed, right? Yes, all list classes duplicates allowed or not? All list classes inserts not is preserved. In which order we inserted, same order we get the output. Null is always allowed. Yes, null is always allowed. Methods are synchronized, non-synchronized. Methods are non-synchronized because this linked list is from which version? Java 1.2 version. Yes, which is like Java 1.2 version, so that so that it allows what? Methods are non-synchronized, right? Exactly, guys. This is like double linked list implementation, guys. It is like double linked list implementation. See the API documentation once, so that you'll get some more clarity. Go to the Google. Go to the Google. Just you can Java 8 API documentation, guys. I think showing the API documentation is a good habit, right? Good option, right? Yes, sir, no. So that you get
Yes,
some.
sir.
When
Yes,
you
Yes,
see
sir.
the API documentation, you're getting some more clarity, right? When compared to my explanation. So explanation,
Yes, sir.
okay, you're getting clarity. But API documentation, there is no chance of asking questions, right? Because API documentation is showing clearly. So linked list, huh? Yeah, linked list, guys. Because linked list is like. Guys, linked list, the parent class is like abstract sequential list, which is from abstract list, which is from abstract collection, which is from object class. This much hierarchy is there, guys. It's fine. It's like what implementation, guys? I said underlying data structure is what double linked list, right? Double linked list implementation, right? See, guys, here double linked list implementation of the list and DQ interface. It means for this array list, linked list is implementing which interface, guys? DQ interface or not? Guys, linked list is implementing which interface? DQ interface, list interface, clonable interface, serializable interface, right? Exactly. So double linked list implementation of what? List and DQ interfaces, right? Exactly. List implements all the optional list operations, guys, and permits are including null values also permitted. Note that this method implementation is synchronized and non-synchronized. Note that these implementations are not synchronized. So if multiple threads can access linked list concurrently, and at least one of the thread modifies this list structure, yeah, it's fine. Yes, which is from which version onwards here? 1.2 version onwards here, and which contains the constructors, guys. Total how many constructors here? Yes, it contains so many constructors. Two constructors. First one is like
Two
construct an
constructors.
empty list. Construct an empty list. Next one is what? Linked list like collection data, right? Collection data means what? Adding one collection data into what? Another collection, right? Exactly, guys. Because we understood that linked list is like almost the same as linked array list, right? Array list also duplicates not allowed, inserts not is not preserved, null is always allowed. Methods are synchronized, non-synchronized. Methods are non-synchronized. Double linked list implementations. I think, yeah, can see this basic example, guys. I'm taking the example one. Linked list L equal new linked list of. Linked list L equal to what? New linked list of. I hope you understood these methods, right? Any explanation required? Add is easy to add the data. Add last is easy to add the data at last position. Add first is easy to add the data at first position. Add of one means what, guys? Adding the data at a specific index, right? Specific index. Remove first means what happened, guys? First element is removed. Remove last means what? Last element is removed. Guys, in Amir paid classes, what happened? You know, they will discuss this example one day. Sir, why this will take one day, sir? They'll write the every method theory. Add is used to add the data. Add last is used to add the last element. Add first is used to add the first element. If you talk like that, definitely will take half an hour or not.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Remove first is showing like remove the first element, right? Yeah, remove last is showing the remove last element. Remove of E object is removed. I said clearly remove method if you are passing the number means this is by default taken as
Index.
this is by default taken as what? Index, right? This is by default taken as what? Index, right? Exactly. Remove method if you are passing the number, by default that number is taken as what? Index format, right? Exactly. And set purpose is what, guys? I think you know set purpose. Multiple times you're discussing set. To set. Don't give smart answers. To set and.
The second position will be
To set Ratan at second position.
Replace.
Replacement, right? Base set means you have to say replacement, guys, simply. Yeah, is empty means what? To check the data is empty or not. Is empty. And clear means what? It clear all elements. After clearing, is empty is true or false now? Guys, is empty is true or false now? After clearing all elements, is empty definitely true, right? Definitely is a true, right? Exactly. Guys, this example you want me to run or okay, fine, you're able to run this code.
Understood.
You're able to do that example, right? You can do it, guys.
Yes,
And the second constructor is what? Second constructor is taking like import java.util.star here. Array list L equal new array list of. I'm adding this array list data into what? Linked list constructor, right? So just I'm adding one collection data into what? Another collection, right? Guys, just I'm adding what? One collection data into what? Just I'm adding one collection data into. Tell me, one collection data into what? Another collection.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Adding one collection data into what? Another collection, right? Exactly. So something like adding array list data into which object, a linked list or not. This is second constructor, right? This is second constructor, guys. Because first constructor, default constructor, first example. Second constructor is like adding one collection data into another collection. That's the second constructor, right? Exactly. But the point is like, you know, today we have to get some important points, guys. Try to understand that points. Some important points, you know, what are the important points? Array list versus linked list. Anyhow, I think operations wise, array list, linked list, both are same operations, right? Duplicates are allowed, inserts not is preserved, null is always allowed, methods are non-synchronized, right? Always. Yeah. But the difference is what, guys? That implementations are different. Array list implementations internally different. Array linked list internal implementations are different, right? Exactly. Guys, array list, what are the implementations? Array list internal implementations are what? Resizable array, right? Guys, array list implementations are what? Resizable array. But what about linked list implementations? Linked list implementations, you know, double linked list, right? Exactly. Guys, array list implementations like resizable array, it means internally the data stored in array format. In linked list, that underlying data such is what? Double linked list. It means in the linked list, the data is stored in which format, guys? Double linked list format, right? Is that statement is clear? The first point, guys. Array list versus linked list. Array list internally uses resizable array data structure to store the elements. So the array elements are stored in array format. Okay. So the elements are stored in which format, guys? Array format. Linked list internally uses double linked list implementation to store the elements. So the data stored in which format, guys? Stored in which format means array format, basically. The data is stored in array format, guys. Double linked list uses the linked list implementation to store the elements. So the data will be store the elements. So the data will be what? So the data will be stored in which format, guys? In array format, right? First case, the data is stored in array format, guys. Linked list internally uses the double linked list implementation to store the elements. So, so what happened here? So the data will be stored in which format, guys? The data will be the data stored in which format? Stored in double linked list format. Guys, first you have to get the this point information. Once if you understand this point, internally how the data is arranged. Array list underlying data structure is what? Resizable array. So the data is arranged in array format. Linked list underlying data structure is what? Double linked list. So the data is arranged in which format, guys? Double linked list format, right? Guys, everyone is understood this point? Good. And second point I said one time, last time, what I'm saying last time, in array list, data is like stored in array format, continuous memory location. In the middle of the array, I want to store some data. Because middle of the array, if you want to store some data, then what happened in that place already data is there. The data go for shift operations, right? Left shift operations, right? Assume like your array size is like 1000 size. Second element, I'm inserting new element. In the second location, if I'm inserting new element, already second location element is there, right? That is move to what? Next locations are not. Second goes to third location goes to third, fourth is goes to fifth is goes to sixth. Then how many shift operations required?
Multiple.
Almost 1000.
Multiple shift operations required. Then tell me, guys, even if you remove the data, 1000 elements are there. Out of 1000 elements, I want to remove the third element. Yes, out of 1000 elements, if you remove the third element, then what happened? Tell me. If you remove the third element, then what happened? Third element is removed means what? Fourth become third, right? Fifth become next, right?
Rest of
Like
the yes,
like that, yeah. It required the more shift operations or not again?
yes.
Does it require what? More shift operations, right? Exactly. That's what, guys. Our frequent operations are inserting the data, remove the data. And as you can see, insert y at the second location, y at location 2. If you insert location 2, we have to move to what? X2, X3, X, like we have to move and so on, right? Exactly. But linked list means what happened, guys? If you want to insert the y here, just I can remove this link is sufficient, right? I can remove this link. This X is pointing to here. This one is pointing to here. In double linked list, this link address is stored here. This link address is stored here. This address is stored here. It's storing like links format. Yes or no? This data is storing which format? Links format. One link address stored here. Link address stored here. Link address stored be previous link. Links are storing like this. In this case, if you're inserting the data here, the second location, then what happened, guys? Here, I think just a removal of this link is sufficient, right? Reminded any modification required? Guys, reminded any modification required?
Not required.
Reminded any modifications required means not required, right? Exactly, guys. Even remove the data. Remove the data also what? Just removal of one link is sufficient, right? Exactly. Okay, then tell me, when we are doing the insertion and removal operation, array list is slow because when you perform this operation, internally required what? More shift operations, right? Does it require the more shift operations or not? But insertion and removal of operation linked list is faster because shift operations are required or not required. That's because shift operations are required or not required. Shift
Not
operations are
required.
right. Just a removal of one link is sufficient, right? Shift operation not required. Just adding or removing one link is sufficient, right? Adding or what? Adding or what? Removing one link is enough, right? Yeah, removing one link, right? That's it, guys. As everyone is understood the second point,
Yes.
any explanation required?
No, sir. Yes, sir. We got it.
Search operation, guys. When you go for search operation is array list is good. Basically, array list is good. Why? Array list is support the indexing concept, right? Yes, array list is supporting the indexing concept. So the search operation, searching operation wise, which one is recommended, guys? Array list is recommended. Linked list has to traverse to every element, guys. Okay. So array list is what happened here. O of one. O of one means what? 66th element means directly go and pick the 66th element, right? It won't check for the element by element, right? Guys, array list to take the 0 of 1. 0 of 1 means what? If you want the 50th element means directly go and pick the 50th element. Time complexity is like O of 1. But linked list is what? It has to traverse through every element. It has to traverse to every element that it decide the element, right? That's what it is taking what? O of n. Is there a clear O of 1 and O of n? O of 1 means what? It go and pick the direct location. Array list is go and pick the one element means what? One element means what? Go and pick that element, right? What about linked list, guys? It where linked list takes the 0 of n time to retrieve the element, right? To retrieve the element, it is taking how much time, guys? 0 of n time, right? I think he maybe place the data like this. If you want, you can check it. So time complexity, maybe he written the data. No. I think no, maybe I copied some symbol from place. Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, so search operation is which one is better, guys? Search operations, frequently our operations search operation. Frequently our operations are search operation. Then is always recommended to take what? It's
Array
always
list, sir.
recommended to take the array list, right? Exactly, guys. Guys, with respect to memory, which one will take the less memory? Which one is take less memory, Usman? Because linked list,
Index.
in
Array
linked
list.
list, what happened, you know? In the linked list, it has to store the data and it has to store the link addresses also, right? Next
Yes.
link address has to store in the previous link. Next link address has to store in the previous link. In that case, what happened here? Linked list stores the data and memory address also, right? Yeah, with respect to memory, which one is good here?
Array list.
Yeah, array list is recommended, right? Exactly. Guys, are
I
you
think
clear?
sir, in linked list, two arrays are required. One to
Hmm?
store that, one to store the data.
Store the
One to store the address, one array to store the address, and one array to store the data in linked list.
okay, it's not like that. Actually, what happened, you know, linked list
I have,
completely.
sir, I have read it somewhere that it requires two arrays. I mean,
One is link, another one is data.
yes, another one for data.
Do you think like, okay, fine. In that case, two arrays are. How it will map the data then again?
Might
The
be in
first
the form of 2D array.
2D array, first one is mapping to first one, second one is mapping to first one, second one, huh?
Like that, I think.
No. Maybe it's wrong. We try to check once.
Okay, sir, I will
Because
check.
in linked list, the data is stored in assume like not in Java. If we take the like linked list in C language, linked list in C language, it will take what one element to two elements means. Do you think like two arrays are created? No. It's not like that. It's creating only one array only. First link see one memory only. In that one memory, first link, second link, third link, fourth link. That link addresses are pointing actually. That link addresses will be pointing. You try to check that point. Anyway, finally we got the clarity like array list means only data storing, linked list means both. Anyway, it may be same array, it may be different array. it has to store the data and the address also, right? Memory address, right? Guys, it has to store the data and what? It has to store the memory address or not? Both, right? Then definitely
Yes,
both
sir.
means what? It takes some memory, extra memory, right? Exactly, guys. This is the fourth point. Is fourth point any questions? That's first point, second point, third point, such operation, fourth point, memory respect to memory. And fifth point, guys. Well, fifth point here, array list is implementing random access interface, guys. Okay, random access mark interface. Mark interface means what the advantage? Tell me. When your class is extending like mark interfaces, your class acquires some capabilities, right, to perform some operations. Your class is getting some capabilities to perform some operations or not? Your class is getting some capabilities to perform some operation, right? Clonable interface, guys. Clonable is a marked interface, right? Clonable means what? The process of creating exactly duplicate object, right? In
Yes.
that case here, initially for your class, cloning is supported or not supported? Initially for your class, cloning is supported or not supported means not supported, right? Then how can you make it as a cloning supported? We have to implement from clonable interface, right? Guys, we have to implement from which interface? Clonable interface or not? Exactly. So like that, array list is implementing random access interface, guys. If you want, go and check the array list once. Anyhow, linked list is not implementing random access interface. If you want, you can see. Linked list implementing these interfaces: serializable, clonable, iterable, collection, dequeue, list, queue. These all are it is implementing internally. Good. But what about array list, sir? Go for check the array list once. This is my array list. Guys, array list is implementing which interface here? Implementing interfaces. Serializable is common, is serializable, clonable, iterable, collection, list. Here, which one is important for us? Random access interface. So is that list is implementing random access or not? Guys, is it list is implementing random access or not? Is it list is implementing random access or not means definitely no, right? List is not implementing random access interface. But array list is implementing random access interface, right? If you click on this random access interface, it's saying like public interface random access interface. See this message, guys? Read this point.
Marker
Mark interface used by list implementations to indicate that supports the fast random access, right? Exactly. It means data retrieval become faster random access the data. So from that's what from data accessing wise, which one is the speed, guys? Data retrieval wise, which one is speed?
Array list.
It's right. Exactly. Data accessing become fast, guys. So data accessing supports like array list is good, right? Exactly, guys. So because array list is implementing random access interface, random access is a mark interface giving indicated super fast support, sorry, support fast random access data, random access, right? Exactly.
Super fast.
Yeah,
Yeah,
there
super
is a
fast.
5 points about the super fast. There are 5 points about your array list versus linked list, guys.
No, sir. Actually, you speak like super fast.
I speak like super fast. Yeah. Guys, any questions about these 5 points are clear, right? Array list versus linked list.
No, sir.
Any questions? Yeah, good, guys. Guys, one small point I have to tell you. Note one today class. I'll discuss the two examples, guys. Very, very important points. Note one, very straightforward points. Actually, array list when compared to arrays,
Ratan sir, before going forward, can you ask everyone, because in the end everybody leaves the class for the tomorrow's class. I mean, for 2 hours class, you were asking yesterday.
hey, tomorrow you have the class
I
by
mean,
8 to 10. So 8 to 9, 9 to 10, 2 hours class. That's it.
tomorrow and Sunday also, sir.
Sunday also you have the class by 8 to 10, 8 to 9, 9 to 10.
So finally, our batch is getting over on after that.
Yeah, mostly. If not possible, I'll take some more days. It's not a problem.
So you don't worry. We join the new batch also because we have lifetime access.
Why new batch, man? Try to
9
complete.
a.m. 9 a.m. is reserved for all of the students that are in this batch. Guru, Vidya, Rani,
Yeah,
me,
then do
Shiva, everybody. We can join anytime. We just need the link only.
Okay, fine. Guys, eraser performance good, collections of performance good, guys. Then compared to collections wise, eraser performance is good, guys. Eraser performance is good. Collections are performance is, I'm not saying like not good, performance is okay. Okay. Why this happen, in array list or linked list, anything vector and all? Assume like array list, assume like vector is there, array list is there. Yes, array list AL equal to new array list. Otherwise, vector V equal new vector, something like that. Guys, initial capacity of array list is what? Assume like some 10 capacity is there, right? 10 capacity is there. Once it reaches max capacity, then what happened, guys? Yes, once it reaches max capacity, the capacity becomes some 16 or 17, something like that, right? Exactly. In collections, what's the problem? One small issue, actually, first 10 locations are created, 10 locations are created, 10 values are storing. When the 11th element is coming, that memory is there, right? 10 locations memory. That memory will not become the 17 actually. As that memory will not become the 17. Then what happened, with that new memory, with that new capacity, internally one more memory created. Existing all values are there, right? Existing all values. Those all the values are copied to the new memory. Guys, those
Then
all the
what?
values are copied. Those all the values are copied to new memory, right? Because they're implemented like that to get the resizable concept, like automatically increase and automatically decrease, right? Automatically increase and what? Automatically decrease, right? Yeah. Yes, I'm repeating again. If you create the size, array list is the 10 size, 10 is the default size, 10 elements are inserted. Once the 10 elements are inserted, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 elements are inserted. After 10 elements, what happened? The size becomes, assume like when you're trying to insert the 11th element, the size becomes the 16 or 17. In that case, what happened, this data will not become the 16. With that 16 internally, one new memory created, then this value is copied to new memory, copied to new memory, copied to new memory, copied to new memory, copied, then extra data will be added here. Is it clear now? So what happened is, if you keep on doing like this increment operations and all, then what happened is you keep on copying the data, right? Exactly. Because of this only, he's achieving like what? Like what? Size automatically growing and shrink, right? Yeah. Size automatically increasing and decreasing, right? Exactly, guys.
So what happens to the earlier?
Huh?
What happens with the earlier?
Guys, once we create the array list, earlier means what? Once we create the array list with the size 10 means 10. Once reaches maximum capacity, once it reaches what? Maximum capacity. Once it is maximum capacity, the new array list is created. The new array list memory created, guys. Are you clear now? The new array list memory created with what? New capacity, right? With the new capacity. After that, tell me, guys, the new capacity. After that, what happened here?
Copying
After
the
that,
previous.
old data is copied to old data is copied to new memory, right? Exactly.
Sir,
Definitely.
in this time, previous memories were removed or otherwise it will be
It will
available.
be garbage collected. It will be garbage collected because that reference is pointed to new memory.
Okay.
After that, old data is copied to new memory. The old data is garbage collected. The old data is what? Garbage collected. Is it clear now? The old data is what? After the old data is what? Garbage collected, right? Exactly. Guys, you got the point one, right? So up to now, what the size we are creating, don't think like the existing memory becomes a 16 like that. Actually, with the new capacity, then what happened here? New memory will be created. These values are copied to new data, copied to new memory. So definitely, if you're doing some multiple operations, like multiple times the capacity incremented, then what happens is definitely becomes operations becomes like performance issues, right? Exactly, guys. There's one thing. There's node one, guys. Guys, node one is clear, huh? Good. Guys, node two, I will tell you, very important note. Yeah, guys, up to now we are taking array list AL equal new array list concept, right? Yes, array list, yeah, array list AL equal to what? Array list AL equal to new array list you are creating object. But observe, guys, project level we will not create the objects like this. Okay, so in the project level, this is valid, guys. Definitely it is valid, but generally project level not recommended. Not recommended. Sir, then what we will do, sir? What we will do, sir? Generally application level you can take the list AL equal to what? The new array list, guys. This is the valid and recommended. So this is like list implementations, guys. So array list is what? Parent of list, right? List implementation class, right? Exactly. It means what? This variable can hold, it may be array list, it may be linked list, it may be any type, right? Yes or no? Valid and what? Recommended, right? Valid and recommended, guys. This is a concept like, see, first of all, we are doing the declaration part. Later we have to assign the value to the array list, right? Guys, generally, first we do like array list AL. Assume like array list AL. I'm writing some piece of code here. When you write some piece of code, assume like I'm getting the data from some other resources. Guys, I'm getting the resource data from some other resources. Assume like I'm getting the getBean object. GetBean, see guys, today I decided GetBean returns the array list object so that I can take the array list, right? Guys, today I decided GetBean returns which object now? Array list object. So that guy return the array list object, I'm holding array list object, right? Guys, that statement is clear. Assume like this resource is coming from different places, guys. In collection Spring classes will get these points actually. So Spring class will get these points. But anyhow, we got the clarity like getBean someone is returning the array list object means you're holding array list object. But tell me, guys, depends on some issues, they decided to like take the linked list data. They are not returning the they are instead of using array list, they're using what? Linked list now. Then this case my code will work or not? Guys, if that is the case, my code will work or not? If later change the implementation, they change implementations, they return the getBean returns which object, guys? Now linked list object returning. Usman, tell me now, this linked list object can hold this array list or not? Definitely no, right?
Yes, sir. No.
In that case, if I make the list data list AL, today I'm getting the object like array list data, so that we can take the data, a list can take the array list data, we can process. Tomorrow they change the implementation to the linked list, even my list can hold the linked list also, right? Even my list can store the vector also, right? Maybe they can store the stack also, right?
Yes, sir.
That's what, guys, that's what implementation, guys. This is just like, this is the concept like you're using the bulb, right? You have the plug holder is there, bulb holder. Guys, one bulb is there, one specific holder is there, we are putting the bulb into a specific holder. Okay, so specific holder and specific bulb, guys. But if now bulb is broken, so bulb is broken means we have to change another bulb, right? We have to change other bulb means what? This but we have to take the same bulb, right? Guys, we have to take the same bulb or not? Same
Yes.
type of bulb that support like this holder, right? Exactly. This is the way how we are creating, guys. But second case is what? We are taking the universal holder. That holder can take what? Any type of bulb. Depends on your requirement. We can change like whatever the bulb you need, right? Yes, which one is recommended? Is a fixed holder is recommended or universal holder is recommended?
Universal.
What, Usman? Is it fixed holder is recommended or
Sorry,
universal
universal holder. Universal.
That universal holder is nothing but what? List interface can hold all the bulbs, right?
Exactly, sir.
That's what, this is the way why they are writing these implementations, right? This is also
Yes.
very important, guys. This is like fixed holder, fixed bulb. Okay, tomorrow bulb changes, this voltage will not work because this voltage support only this bulb only. But this is like universal holder, it supports like all the bulbs. What are the bulb, if you want, you can change it frequently. That's what always they're declaring what a list AL equal to new array list, right? Exactly. Okay, second note is clear. Yeah, guys, two notes are definitely important, right? First one is like performance wise, arrays are good, collections are okay, performance not that much. When compared to arrays, collections are not compared to arrays. Once we create array list size 10, once it reaches max capacity, the new capacity becomes what? With that new capacity, new memory created, right? With that new capacity, new memory will be created. Is it clear now? The two nodes are very important. So you remember the bulb concept, guys. This is like fixed holder for the fixed bulb. Tomorrow bulb broken, we have to take the same type of bulb. It doesn't hold another bulbs, right? But this is like the holder can hold any type of bulbs. So one bulb is broken, you can take another company bulb, right? Another company bulb, another company bulb. This holder can take what? Any type of bulbs, right? Any type of bulbs, guys. Remember that point, okay? Good. Yeah, that last one is like stack, guys. The stack we are not using anymore, so just read the stack supports first list, last in first out, guys. LIFO implementations. Guys, stack is follows what? Last in first out, first out, last in first out. Last in first out means what? LIFO implementation. Last inserted element removed first, guys. Guys, last inserted removes first. It's an extend of vector, right? It's a child class of vector, guys. Stack is a child class of what? Vector, right? Exactly. Guys, you can check this example. Just I'm doing some operations here. So that last example, so with that list implementation classes will be over. So the class, you can take the test class. Yeah. Guys, here see, I'm inserting total how many elements here? I'm inserting like total 4 elements. After inserting the 4 elements, Java's the application is called what? Test.java. Guys, you can do the compilation. What is compile fine? So printing, yes, guys, I'm printing the size. Printing size, size is 4, right? Pop means what, guys? Top element is removed. Stack will follow the first in first out or last in first out?
Before last.
Yes, stack will follow what? Last in first out, right? If stack follows the last in first out means then what happened?
Stack.
Yes, stack follows the last in first out means then what happened? Then what happened
Strave
means
will be removed, sir.
yeah, Strave is removed, right? That's a point I'm asking. Strave is removed, right? Exactly. Guys, search of Naresh. Search of Naresh means we got the one because Ratan, Anu, Naresh is there. Which one is the top element? Definitely. Which one is the top element? Naresh is the top element, right? That's what, guys. Naresh is the top element. Naresh is the top element. That's what Naresh only removes first, right? If the pop operation will come, that's what searching operation done from here onwards. 1, 2, 3. Don't think from bottom onwards. Why not bottom means because Ratan is not removed first, right? If you have any remove operations, is it Ratan is removed first or Naresh is removed first? Last in first out means. What is man? Last in first out means which one is removed first?
So last in, first out, first will be removed.
Okay, cool.
Last
Last in first out means
in,
Naresh
last
will be
in,
removed, right?
first out. Yes, first will
Naresh
yes,
will be removed means I think one is removed. That's what you get the data. This is like one. Okay, this is like one. Because you try to run that code and you try to check the output. I think we done the list implementation. All classes are completed, guys. List implementation. All classes are completed. Good. Java becomes used, guys, because see, up to 6 days I'm taking the class. Do you feel anything is how to skip the topic? Anyone, if can I skip that point? I think every point feel like important, right? Yes or no? Every point feel like important or not important? Definitely important, right? That's what, guys. The Java becomes the use API nowadays.
Sir, one query.
Tell me.
Patterns, right? Yeah. Pattern, like singleton pattern, design pattern. We need that on.
What a point.